Hi students, welcome to my channel Maths Academy by DG. This is the second class in the determinant chapter. Already we have completed the first class. Okay, if you don't know the first class, first you have to see the first class about the determinant chapter, because of there is the introduction part about the determinant, which is very important for the chapter. Okay, now in this second class, so first I am going to say one of the important note. What is that note means? Suppose we are taking here, let a is equal to 2 to 4 some 1. Okay, next, otherwise 2 to 4, we are taking here 0. Okay, now I am writing here the matrix B is 1 1. We will take here, that is 2 0. Now if we are observing A and B two matrices, definitely we can write A is equal to 2 into B. Yes or no? Because of A is a matrix, from this we are taking 2 is common. By taking the 2 is common, 1 1 2 0. That's all. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 into 0 is again 0. So see, this is the matrix, B matrix or not. That's why A and B both the matrices are having. From this we can write the condition A is equal to 2 into B. But remember one thing, we can't write what, that A is equal to 2 into that B. Yes or no? Because of, I will show that A which is equal to 2 into B, which is wrong. That's why I am telling A means determinant of A not equal to 2 into determinant of B. If A is equal to 2 into B, need not to be say determinant of A is equal to 2 into determinant of B, which is not equal to 2 into determinant of B. I will show that. See, A is a matrix here. Now I am writing the determinant of A. Determinant of A is directly we can write cross multiply. Determinant means 2 into 0 is 0, minus 4 2s are 8. What is the determinant of A? Minus 8. And next one is in this determinant of B. Determinant of B is again we are making the cross multiplication for this. 1 into 0 is 0, 2 into 1 means 0 minus 2 minus 2. See, this is the det A and this is the det B. We are writing here in this. Det A is what? Minus 8. Now 2 into det B is minus 2. Minus 8 is equal to minus 4. Whether it is equal? No, it is not equal. So that's why remember one thing, A is equal to 2 into B, but det A, determinant of A not equal to 2 into determinant of B. So what is the condition in this? Suppose A is equal to 2 into B, means there is a condition determinant of A is equal to, we can write k power n into determinant of B. Remember, this is very important note. Determinant of A is equal to k power n into determinant of B. When we can write this, means if A is equal to 2 into B, then we can write determinant of A is equal to k power n into determinant of B. Sir, what is k in this? Means where k is equal to whatever the common we are taking from the matrix A, that is the 2 na, that is the k. That's all. Okay, and what is the n? N is nothing but, remember, n is nothing but, in this n is nothing but what? N is nothing but both the matrices A and B, both the matrices are having A and B. Okay, order of both the matrices A and B. So that's why order of both the matrices is what? 2. Now we are substituting the values. We will check whether this condition is true or not. So that A value is determinant of A is equal. Now we can write that A is determinant of A is equal to. Now I am writing here. See, k is nothing but what? 2, and n is nothing but 2. Again that B, that A is equal to actually minus 8. 2 square is 4, and that B is minus 2. Minus 8 is equal to minus 8. Yes, it is correct or wrong? Yes, which is satisfies. Means this is the important note. What is the important note today? We are going to continue in this. Means that note is, so remember, A and B both the matrices are having. Suppose we are going to say A is equal to 2 into B, then definitely determinant of A is equal to k power n into determinant of B. Okay, and in this k is nothing but what? Whatever the common we are taking from the matrix B, A, whether we are taking 2 or 3 or 4, whatever the result is they are taking from this to common, that is the k. And what is the n here? Both the matrix A and B, that is the n. Okay, so next we can continue the question in this. See, this is the exercise 4.1. Already we have completed all the examples in front of exercise 4.1. So today's class, now we can continue the exercise 4.1. So see the question number 1 in the exercise 4.1. Evaluate determinant of 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. I think you people can do very easily. Yes or no? That's why I'm not going to continue the solution for this. You people have to complete the solution for this, and you have to say the result answer for this in a comment box. Okay, definitely you have to make the comment about the solution of this. Okay, so next we can continue the next question. Third question, question number 3. See, this is the very important question in this exercise 4.1. If A is equal to matrix is having 1, 2, 4, 2, then show that determinant of 2A is equal to 4 into determinant of A. Okay, so now the result for this, show that means we know that LHS is equal, we have to show this in this LHS is equal to RHS. So we are taking here LHS determinant of 2A means first we have to write the 2A matrix. Yes or no? There is a matrix, we are going to multiply with 2 for the matrix A. So multiply with 2 in the matrix. 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay, we got the 2A. Now we have to make the determinant of 2A is equal to, now the symbol for the determinant is this one, 2 4 8 4. Yes or no? After that, see, determinant, how to make the determinant, just we are making the cross multiplication for this. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 8 into 4 is what, 38, 4 is 32, 8 minus 32 is minus 24. We got the LHS result. Yes or no? See, I am writing the RHS part here. Next, RHS is actually what, 4 into determinant of A. 4 into determinant of A is nothing but 4 into, we know that the determinant symbol is 1 2 4 2. We know that cross multiplication of this is what, 1 into 2 is 2 minus 4 2 is 8, 4. We are having here minus 6, I mean 6 4 is 24. See, LHS is equal to RHS or not? We have to write LHS is equal to RHS, hence short. Okay, so we will say, take the next question. See, this is the question number 4. Again, it is an important question. If A is equal to having the matrix, then show that determinant of 3A is equal to 27 into determinant of A. This is actually one of the property. Okay, I will say this property after. But remember, determinant of 3A is equal to, we can write 27 into determinant of A. Okay, so now how we will complete the solution means, which is related to again exam question number 3. Okay, again we are taking here 3A, multiply with 3, you will get the 3A matrix, and after that the determinant of 3A, again we know that the determinant of A directly we can make. After that multiply with 27 into determinant of A, LHS is equal to RHS we will be get. Okay, so in this, how to make the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, we know that. If you don't know, so see the class 1. Okay, so we can continue the next question. See, this is the question number 5. Okay, all of you write down the question and you have to say the solution about this. Okay, what is the answer you people got, say in comment box. Okay, and this is the question number 6. Find A, if A is a matrix, find determinant of A. We know that how to make the determinant of this. Okay, 2 more questions are having 7 and 8 you will do. Okay, please all of you like, share, subscribe to my channel.